watch it light up. This could be my one chance, go and do it. You gon' see me rise up. Feel the rumble under the ground. Hear the hush from over the crowd. Cause the moment's coming right now. Oh, I'm gonna bring the house down. Bring the house down. Bring the house down. Bring the house down. I'm gonna bring the house down.
Synergy working as one.
Is collaboration, cooperation, and unity. Kasi pag team building, kaya nga teamwork, kasi kailangan natin ng pagkakaisa, kailangan natin mag-strategy as one, so hindi pwedeng kanya-kanya.
I learned before too long.
So as one, we have one mindset, one goal, one direction to achieve our goal. Unity is the name of this game. But then, let's just enjoy our lives. With the help of God, everything will be possible.
Now it's 3 chords, 4 chords, the diatone's the only one that knows.
Nash, nagpapasalamat po ang buong team sa very generous po na natin, na solar. Nagpapasalamat po kami. At natutunan din po namin na kahit po na nasa huli, basta teamwork po, mananalo at mananalo, makukuha po natin ang kliyente.
Sobrang exciting. Sobrang nakakatuwang experience na to. Isa lang yung natutunan ko. Kailangan talaga na maghilahan, pataas, para maging successful. Marunong ka dapat sumunod sa nangunguna. Para kung ano mang hangarin mo, hangarin ng bawat isa ay matutupad. Dapat, pag nagtatrabaho, everybody happy.
Tell me where it all went wrong.
Yung working as one niya ay nagtugma po ngayong araw para mapatunan po paano po gawin ang tunay na pagkakaisa ng isang grupo at may deliver po lahat ng tama at maayos.
Before you let this go, before you let this go, nah, nah. Well, I gotta tell you something, I know that it was all my fault, but if
We acknowledge each and everyone's strength and individuality. Meron tayong lakas at meron tayong mga kahinahan bilang isang sales agent, bilang broker, no? And we acknowledge that.
tell me when you know I'll take you dancing. I wasn't built for breaking hearts. I learned when you let my now, now. I didn't wanna lose me.
Nakita nyo, hindi tayo ganun karami. We're only around, we have a perfect attendance of around, how many ba tayo? 230. Why? Bakit 230 lang? Kasi kayo yung halos lahat bumenta ng 2025.
And now I gotta watch you out with him. It makes me sick, and now I know about a broken heart.
Good morning. Thank you very much for coming and joining our team building. We have so many events for this day. And of course, yung most important part of the program, yung malaman nyo yung ating annual promo.
Before you let this go now, no, no.
This year is not only about brokers na. Kasama na rito ang sales manager and most importantly, the agent.
Say no, no. 'Cause
Okay, have fun and see you later, okay?
I can't handle losing you. No, 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 no. So before you